Most people think drinking warm water at night is just a comfort habit. Something your grandmother did. Something you do when you feel cold. Something that helps you relax. But your body does not see warm water as just a drink. It reads it as a signal. A signal that tells your nervous system to slow down. A signal that changes circulation. A signal that affects how your skin and body repair themselves during sleep. And after 40, that signal becomes more important than you think. Today, we are going to explain what drinking warm water at night actually does, why it affects sleep and aging, and how to use this habit correctly without turning it into a myth. Section 1. Why nighttime habits matter more after 40. When you are younger, your body is very resilient. You can sleep poorly and still look fine. You can forget to hydrate and still recover quickly. Your skin and tissues repair efficiently. After 40, that changes. Cell repair slows down. Hormone rhythms shift. Sleep becomes lighter and more fragmented. This means small habits at night start to matter more. Warm water is one of those habits. Section 2. How the body reacts to warm water at night. Your body is constantly monitoring temperature, hydration, and signals from the digestive system. Warm water sends a calming signal through the digestive tract, the vagus nerve, the parasympathetic nervous system. This system is responsible for rest, recovery, and repair. Cold water tends to stimulate the body. Warm water tends to relax it. At night, that difference matters. Section 3. Warm water and the sleep switch. To fall asleep, your body must shift from alert mode to repair mode. This shift is controlled by nervous system activity, body temperature hormones like melatonin and cortisol. Warm water slightly raises internal temperature, then triggers a cooling response. That cooling response is one of the signals that tells the body it is time to sleep. This is why warm baths, warm tea, and warm water can feel sleepy. They help the body transition. Section 4. Why sleep affects aging. Sleep is when the body repairs itself. During deep sleep, cells repair damaged proteins or rebuild tissues, regenerate, inflammation is reduced. This includes skin, muscles, joints, and brain tissue. If sleep is poor, repair is incomplete. Over years, this contributes to visible aging. Section 5. Hydration at night is different after 40. As we age, the thirst signal becomes weaker. Many people over 40 are mildly dehydrated without realizing it. Dehydration affects skin elasticity, circulation, joint lubrication, sleep quality. Drinking a small amount of water at night can help maintain hydration without disrupting sleep if timed correctly. Section 6. Warm water and circulation. Warm water can increase blood flow to the digestive system and peripheral tissues. Better circulation at night means more oxygen delivered to tissues, better nutrient transport, improved skin tone in the morning. This is why people often notice brighter skin after good sleep and hydration. Section 7. The connection to skin repair. Skin repair does not happen when you apply cream. It happens when blood flow increases, inflammation decreases, cells enter repair mode. Warm water supports the conditions that allow this process. It does not create collagen by itself. It supports the environment in which the body maintains tissues. Section 8. Why this habit feels small but compounds. One night of warm water does not change your skin. But habits compound. Night after night, small supportive behaviors create measurable differences. This is why longevity cultures focus on simple daily rituals, not extreme interventions. Section 9. What science says about warm liquids at night. Research on warm liquids shows they can promote relaxation, reduce nasal congestion, support digestion, comfort, influence subjective sleep onset. They are not a cure. They are a supportive behavior. This distinction matters for trust and monetization. Section 10. When warm water can backfire. This habit is not perfect for everyone. Avoid drinking large amounts of water right before bed. If you wake up frequently to urinate, you have bladder sensitivity, you have reflux triggered by liquids at night, timing matters more than volume. Section 11. The best way to do this habit. If you want to try this habit, drink warm water 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Keep it a small cup, not a large bottle. Warm, not hot. Sip slowly. This gives benefits without disrupting sleep. Section 12. Additions that make sense. Some people add a slice of lemon ginger herbal tea. These are fine for comfort. Do not treat them as medicine. They support ritual and relaxation. Section 13. The psychological effect. Nighttime rituals signal the brain that the day is ending. This reduces mental activity and stress. Stress reduction is one of the biggest anti-aging factors. Warm water is as much psychological as physiological. Section 14. Why this matters for skin after 50. After 50, skin becomes thinner and slower to repair. Anything that improves sleep and circulation indirectly supports skin appearance. Warm water is one of the simplest ways to create a nightly wind-down cue. Section 15. The biggest mistake people make. People think habits must be extreme to matter. Ice baths, supplements, complex routines. But the most powerful habits are consistent and boring. Warm water is boring. But boring habits compound. Section 16. What people notice when they try it. People often report falling asleep faster, feeling calmer at night, less dryness in the morning, better morning skin tone. These are subjective but common experiences. They come from better sleep and hydration, not magic water. Section 17. This is not a miracle trick. Warm water will not reverse aging, cure disease, replace skincare or sleep. It supports the systems that already exist. This honest framing builds trust and avoids policy issues. Section 18. Why simple night habits are underrated. Longevity research consistently shows routine matters, stress reduction matters, sleep consistency matters. Warm water is a tiny tool in that system, not the system itself. Section 19. The long-term effect. If you combine warm water, regular sleep schedule, calm nighttime routine, you support hormone balance, skin repair, cognitive health, mood stability. This is why longevity cultures emphasize evenings. Section 20. Should you do this? If you enjoy it, yes. If it disrupts sleep, no. The best habit is the one you can maintain comfortably. Warm water at night is not a miracle drink. It is a signal. A signal that tells your body it is time to slow down. A signal that supports sleep. A signal that indirectly supports how your body repairs itself as you age. After 40, signals matter more. Not because aging is scary, but because the body becomes more responsive to small, consistent habits. If you want to age well, focus less on perfect products and more on supportive routines. Sometimes, the simplest habit in your kitchen is the one your body understands best.